Hey guys, how to add my internship experience in LinkedIn. So first of all, click your profile icon at the top left, then click your avatar or your name right here, and you're gonna see your profile, right? Now what you're gonna do is scroll a little bit down to add right here experience button, right? So just go ahead and press add experience, right? Add the title and the employment type, and we're gonna make sure we're gonna emphasize that we're gonna emphasize to enter internship, right? And then of course add the title, retail sales manager, or intern at a media company, whatever, and then select of course the company or organization. Move on to add the start date, end date, location, and of course the location type, on-site, remote, and of course a little bit of information to know or to make everybody know that you work or still work there. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit save after you finish. See you.